So I just came in through the JetBlue check-in, and I could not check my bag without my C-5 form. So if you are traveling to Jamaica, please know that not only do you have to complete the C-5 form, you need to complete it before you check your bag. You cannot put your bag in, and I'm at JFK. I don't know what carries at other airports, but right now, JFK, and you cannot check in unless you have the C-5 form. It is a form to enter Jamaica. The website, enterjamaica.gov.jm. enterjamaica.gov.jm. Complete your C-5 form before you get to the airport. Bye! That was my most stressful check-in ever. God, that was so stressful because they have to bring out the C-5 form, and some people don't have it, and the line is jammed. I think this flight is going to delay, but let's see. Anyway, bye.